Allah, Allah. Kgare Tsena mo Kgare, 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 Tsena mo Kgare.
Flamboyancy is exquisite and proper pacing. The drop came to turn a regular rapper into a debutante. Cloud chasers get burned out, punk your petty stuff. Incomplete ideas, visionaries, fetty wop. Apparently I'll be partly aggressive, planting a seed though. The plan is to give out all emotions raw to the people. I don't pop shit, the side effects make me weak, bro. The only pill I pop to go to sleep's a pillow. Always be in alignment to understand what a line meant. Like it suits me to own like a tyrant. Matter of fact, about to get a little juicy. I'm a sweatpants type, so being tied up doesn't suit me. A 9 to 5 for my life can suck a dick in the too. Cause I finna drop tracks from the air without no parachute. A recognition, a passion on mission is great for making decisions. So loosen the chain, don't make it in vain, get closer to the finish.
Everybody throw your hands up now. With a stick, I'll blow your lights off on sight. I'm the Green Reaper, keeping friends close. Enemies even closer, cause nobody knows you when the po-po show up. Forget about being stuck in the block, better run a helping hand up for friend. It's like a police gun with one in the chamber. Drop you underground, meet your maker. Life taker, laugh now, cry later. One shot, take your lights off. I'm the plug, you get popped like drugs before giving the streets a hug just for briefing. You get shot for no reason and get dropped underground in the hood. It's just another weekend. Either you're down with the cause or you part of the system. I practice what I'm preaching is real non-fiction. Better relate to the skill, dope lines, heavyweight. I'm OGC. I congratulate with a dirty eight.
I might slip up, way the flow keep me drip up. Couldn't beat me to the crunch doing sit-ups. It's been quiet for a while since the brush step up. Coming out, kinda feel like it's a setup. Well, if it is, I'm ready and they already know since it's here. The punya so talky to Mkhalakriba. Kikale Kobi Kikaleka Tikate, Kabubu Shaneki, Buboranya Kina Bubete. So tell them Mokare, Tsena Mokare, music like embroidery. I get Tsena Mokare, gloom in the industry from infancy. When I'm Nokare, hot like a heater. How Kahana Hoki Shanula Bari. Getting gully for gangrene, it's the guy with the gangrene. Dealing gangrene, I'm just trying to get my gangrene. Making a stand out, some like a stand in. While bystanders standing by stands, they want to stand in.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm calling all rappers like my phone is on. I tell them niggas get Tsena about the toilets on. It's time to get in shape like a polygon. If you ain't with it, you can skate. Tony Hawk, I'm the only boss who can make workers do 40 chores and only pause for one break. No remorse, I get sorry cause I run like Tony Stark and the Kgare sauce. Yaka, Ibaka body divorce. I get one pause, get 20 box, get 20 force. I'm so creative, Kgare get storyboard. I get holding towards LED buang in corridors. If you only talk and don't act, it's only soft. Old rappers say dog, get to record. I so be sure, now your tone is off. Progress evolve like Pokemon, or let go is gone. You keep going on, the Kgare ball.
Tsena mo Kgare, Tsena nka speeder vocally and your whole career style. Get sadi budget, gibana locally fella. I'm blowing up these heads like chopping off their legs. Landmines, I give them who's the best, they can politic forever. But I don't give an F, cause I'm dilly as my lema. Your girl is open, she cannot cope, I eat kahela. Get Tsena mo Kgare, kamtela. Hanse bale rusty, na ke benda tipi. Ebe ke sonka ka bo hippie kid, I'm dope, don't need no cannabis. Hanse bale vasi, na ke brenda locally. Ke be get trended globally, live by the book like an evangelist. Tsena mo Kgare, kill it. Hanse ba tshaba bo thalo. Get it, Tsena mo Kgare. Turn up the volume, bend the whole arena. Steadily living it up, not giving it up, cause ke namo etape.
Tsena mo Kgare, Tsena mo Kgare, Tsena mo Kgare, Tsena mo Kgare.